This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the keyboard itself. Then at the toolbar to the top of your keyboard, you should see the clipboard icon that looks exactly like so. If it isn't at this little short list of options, you can expand the keyboard options by tapping at this dots over here. And in here at the full list of options, you will be definitely able to find the clipboard. Now open its section, and in order to activate it, all that is left to do is to either switch on this toggle or tap at the turn on clipboard button. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.